another video. So I'm just waking up right now. George just left for work, and I thought that I would do a morning routine video for you guys today because I love watching morning routine videos and nighttime routine videos. So I thought it would be a good idea to make one today, kind of like vlog style. So hopefully you guys enjoy this video. So like I said, George just left for work. I'm going to open up all the blinds and make my bed so that I can, and not tempted to get back in bed because I really have a hard time waking up in the mornings. I'm not a morning person whatsoever. So I have to really prepare myself mentally to wake up, and that includes like opening up the blinds, making my bed, having my coffee and stuff like that. So my day usually starts between 6:30 and 7. Right now it is 7:05, so I'm going to do everything that I just told you guys, brush my teeth, and then head downstairs to read my devotional. All right, so I'm opening the blinds now. I love this thing. This came with our place. I just love being able to open up the windows with the remote. Time to make this bed.
Let's go outside, the snow is falling down and every child is having so much fun.
All right, blinds are open, bed is made, time to go downstairs.
As quirky as mine, we're holding hands to keep each other warm while we stand.
All right, I'm turning on the lights because I do not like a dark house at all. And I'm going to make myself my cup of coffee, my Christmas mug. It'll focus. This is the one that I really like, the Intenso. I prefer the Alto, which is like 14 ounces, but they discontinued it. So I'm just getting this one for now. So we're gonna make my coffee.
Filled with love and joy, so beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. I don't need any presents, as long as I spend this day with you.
Let it cool for a little bit because I don't like hot coffee, and just kind of have it at room temperature, and then I'm going to drink it. So while my coffee cools, I am going to start my morning by taking my medication. I am on like mental health medication for stuff that I was like diagnosed with. Maybe one day I'll open up and like share a little bit more and tell you guys what I take and why I take it and stuff like that. And then I also take a probiotic in the morning. So I'm gonna do that, and then I'm gonna sit down and read my devotional. So I'm going into my devotional bin and taking out my Bible and my Bible study devotional that I've been doing. And this is called Faithful. So this is about like knowing how God stays faithful. Sounds like the kids are waking up, so I don't think I'm gonna have enough time to do this right now. I guess I'll have to do it later today, but I normally strive to wake up and have some time alone with God and read my Bible, do my devotional and stuff like that. But it seems like the kids are waking up, so I'm not gonna have time to do that. So if anything, I'm gonna start getting ready for the day. We are gonna go to the gym after I drop off Alex at school. Alex is getting ready for school right now. So I'm gonna put my gym clothes on and then get my gym bag ready and then head to the gym. So I have waffles in the toaster right now. I'm gonna go get the 2 little ones and get them ready for the gym, get them ready for the day. Let's see what they're up to. It's always a surprise when I walk into their room in the morning. All right, let's see. Oh, they're still sleeping. They're sleeping together, how cute. Buenos dias. Good morning. Good morning. Okay, vamos. Vamos. Uh-oh. Ow. Ow. Yay. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Yeah. Vamos. Vamos abajo. Four. Oh. 5. I'm so proud of him. He can count to 10. Vamos, Luca? Pera. ¿Quieres comer?
Sleigh bells ringing, diamonds blinging, carols singing, favorite season. Sleigh bells ringing, diamonds blinging, carols singing, favorite season.
All right, kids are in the kids club. I'm gonna go into the locker room to drop off my backpack, and then I'm gonna head on out to the weights floor so I can do some weights today. Just finished my workout. I used the OpenFit app and I did a full body sculpt, like a 35-minute one. Oh my goodness, I did tons of lunges, tons of squats, and some planks. Honestly, I have like no core ever since I had Leo. 3 kids later, my core is just not it. So I'm definitely dripping sweat. So I'm gonna go to the locker room and take a shower and get ready for the day. I actually really like doing that, like coming to the gym first thing in the morning and then getting ready for the day here, like showering, doing my makeup and stuff, getting ready for the day. I feel like very productive. So I've made that part of my routine, which is pretty nice. So I'm going to cool down for a little bit, do some stretching, and then I'm gonna head to the locker room. Okay, so we're home now, and I actually didn't get ready at the gym like I wanted to because I had to change one of the boys' diapers, and of course I forgot a diaper. So I just picked them up and came straight home. So I changed the diaper and everything, and now we're getting settled in. I am going to cross off a few things from my to-do list right now, and I'm also going to make some edits for a video because I sent it over to a brand and they just wanted me to edit a few things. So I'm going to edit that. And then I'm going to do my makeup because I have some videos that I want to sit down and make today. So once the boys are napping, I'm going to sit down and make those videos. So I'm going to make a smoothie as well, and I'll show you guys how I make my smoothie lately. Okay, so this is what I'm going to use for my smoothie. I'm going to do some strawberry and bananas. These are frozen. And then I'm going to add a blender balm. I got these because Vera from Balance Flyer mentioned them again, so I had to get them. She really likes them. I got the coffee, almond, butter, and cacao ones. And I'm gonna add some almond milk and then a scoop of protein. So we'll see how this tastes. I'm kind of nervous because Leo's terrified of the blender, and every time I turn it on, he cries. So, I always feel so bad for him. So he did cry. I felt bad because he was actually smiling at his show, and then as soon as I turned on the blender, he started crying, and I felt so bad. So I had to like go comfort him while the blender was going, and he's better now, but he's still a little moody. But oh, okay. I taste everything from the blender balm. But it tastes good. It's gonna be really filling, which I'm excited about because I'm trying to really watch what I'm eating, you know, as I've mentioned many times, and the ingredients and stuff like that. So I'm really glad that I like that blender balm because I'm gonna be buying more. Okay, so it's a lot later. I completely forgot that I was vlogging today, and I just got so caught up in what I was doing. I did the edits that I needed to do. I got ready for the day, did my hair, did my makeup, and then I put the boys down for their nap. And then I decided to come down here and start filming the video that I wanted to film. Halfway through the video, all of a sudden I hear little footsteps going down the stairs. These little boys used an ottoman that I have in their room. Like it has storage, so that's where I put their toys in and stuff. And they used it to escape. So now they're having their lunch and I had to film the video with them in the background. So we'll see how that goes. But it's almost 2 o'clock now, and I'm going to probably film another video. I have one more that I wanted to do, but I don't know if that's gonna happen because the boys are actually like getting really loud now. And I do need to go pick up Alex from school. So maybe I'll just get in the car and have the boys nap in the car while I'm waiting for Alex. I think that's a good idea. And then just scratch the other video and film it another day. So I'm going to end this video here. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me this morning, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I can do a nighttime routine if you guys want. I would love to do that. I look forward to making videos that you guys want to see. So make sure to let me know down in the comments below if you want to see one. Sorry, my battery died. But like I was saying, don't forget to subscribe if it's your first time here. Make sure to follow me on social media, TikTok, Instagram, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.